guys, we are on skills day 3, and before we get started to warm up, we're going to do a few wiggle cards. So remember, read it to yourself quietly, do what it says, and then read it out loud, okay? Good job. Scratch your hand. Great job. All right, here's your next one. Read it to yourself, then act it out, then read it out loud. Good job. Smell a batch of sweets. Read it to yourself, act it out, then read it out loud. Good job. Here's another one. Read it to yourself, act it out, then read it out loud. Good job. Jump up and down. All right, that's good for our warm up. And today's lesson is mostly testing and assessments. So for 22.1, I want you to take out your page 22.1. It looks like this. And I am going to call out a word, and you are going to circle it. I do not want mom and dad or grandma and grandpa or anybody to help you. I want you to do this all by yourself. If you miss one, that's okay, all right? I want you to do this all by yourself though, okay? So number 1, put your finger on number 1. Number 1 is switch. Circle the word switch. Number 1 is switch. Number 2, circle the word catch. Number 2, catch. Circle the word catch. Number 3, stretch. Circle the word stretch. Number 3 is stretch. Number 4, gym. Circle the word gym. Number 4 is gym. Number 5, ginger. Circle the word ginger. Number 5 is ginger. Number 6, digit. Circle the word digit. Number 6 is digit. Number 7, plunge. circle the word plunge. Number 7 is plunge. Number 8, challenge. Number 8 is challenge. Circle the word challenge. Number 9, large. Circle the word large. Number 9 is large. Number 10, solve. Circle the word solve. Number 10 is solve. Number 11, carve. Circle the word carve. Number 11 is carve. Number 12, 12. Circle the word 12. Number 12 is 12. Number 13, right. Circle the word right. Number 13 is right. Number 14, wrap. Circle the word wrap. Number 14 is wrap. And last one, number 15. Number 15 is wrist. Circle the word wrist. Number 15 is wrist. Alrighty, if you need to back up the video and go through those again, you can. We're gonna go ahead and move into our reading, but I will go ahead and tell you pages 22.2, which has part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. You guys are going to do those all by yourself, okay? In part 1, you're going to circle the noun and underline the verb. And they've given you an example, and we've done that before. I can put this up here for you. So on part 1, circle the noun, underline the verb in all 5. Part 2, you're going to put punctuation in, okay? It's either going to be a question mark, a period, or an exclamation mark, okay? That's part 2. Part 3, you are going to write this out. Let me see what the rest of the directions are. You are going to add an adjective. So in part 3, you're going to add an adjective. So you're going to write this sentence here, add an adjective, write this short sentence here, but add an adjective, and so on and so forth. Okay? And then part 4, you are going to make plural, okay? 1 box, 3 boxes, okay? And remember, if a word ends in X or S, you're going to add ES. If it ends in E, you'll add S. If it ends in a consonant letter, you'll add S, okay? But if it ends in X or S, you have to add an ES. And you can hear that when you say it. When you do 1 box, 3 boxes, you can hear that ES on the end, okay? And then on the bottom part, you are making past tense and present tense. So you're adding ED or ING. So remember though, remember our doubling rule? Like on rubbed and rubbing, if it's a short vowel sound followed by a single consonant, you have to double, okay? So remember our doubling rule. If it's a short vowel sound followed by a consonant cluster, you do not double, okay? But if it is a short vowel sound, like in rub, followed by a single consonant letter, then you have to double it when you add a suffix, okay? So you guys can do those all by yourself. So that means the next thing we're going to do together is read the scoop and work on our questions. So let's get our readers out and find the scoop. And the scoop is on page 62. Page 62 in your reader. So let's get our reader fingers out, and you guys choral read with me, okay? Starting with the title, The Scoop. After we named the T-Rex, some men came charging up to us. Can we shoot some film of you for TV? One of them asked. It would be a big scoop for us. Nan and Jack said it was okay. Turn the page. The men set up a bunch of stuff to shoot the film. Then one of them started counting down from 10. He said, 3, 2, 1. Then he pointed at us. The TV man spoke into a mic. He said, "This is Roger Fletcher. I'm standing here in the Badlands where 2 children have found the bones of a T-Rex." Turn the page. The man bit down to Max and stuck the mic under his nose. He said, "What's your name?" Max looked like he was scared of the mic. He jumped back a bit, then he muttered, "I'm Max." "And you?" I said, "I'm Kate." Then I waved. "Max," said the man, "where did you spot the bone?" Max said, "It was sticking out of the side of a cliff." Turn the page. "Kate, could you tell it was a bone when you saw it?" "No," I said, "it looked like a rock." "What did you use to dig it out?" "We used forks," said Max. "Forks?" said the man. "That's cool. Could I get a close-up of the 2 of you with your forks?" Someone ran and got us 2 forks. We held them up and smiled until the man said, "Cut," and that was the end of that. Okay, now we will go to 22.3 to answer our questions. Number 1. What did the TV man ask Max and Kate? Did he ask, "Can we see the bone? Can we shoot the rocks? Or can we shoot a film of you?" And we know that he asked, "Can we shoot a film of you?" Good job, and that was on page 62. Number 2, how did Max feel when the TV man spoke to him? How did Max feel? If we go back to page 66, we know that Max felt a little bit scared, maybe a little nervous. So we can start out, we're going to restate our question and our answer. How did Max feel when the TV man spoke to him? So Max, capital M, Max felt maybe a little scared or a little nervous. So we'll say Max felt a little scared when him. Period. So we've restated our question. How did Max feel when the TV man spoke to him? Max felt a little scared when the TV man spoke to him. We used all of those words. And that was on page 66. And we know that Max felt a little scared because when the TV man put the mic up to Max's face, he jumped back a little. He backed up. So he was maybe a little scared or a little nervous. And we know that because he backed up. Okay. Turn over. Flip your page. Okay, number 3. The man got a close-up of the T-Rex in the side of the cliff, Max and Kate with their forks, or Ron Fitch, the Bone Man. Good job. He got a close-up of Max and Kate with their forks, and that was on 68, I think. What did the TV man ask Kate? So let's look back on page 68. What did the TV man ask Kate? Good job. The TV man asked Kate if she could tell it was a bone when she saw it. So that's what we're gonna restate our question by saying the TV man asked Kate. So capital T, the TV man asked Kate if she knew or if she could tell if she, tricky word, could tell it was a bone when she saw it. And that was on page 68. What did the TV man ask Kate? The TV man asked Kate if she could tell it was a bone when she saw it. All right, good job, guys. And before we finish today's skills lesson, I want to encourage you to practice your tricky words and your letter sounds. And as you're working through your PP pages, if you have any questions on those, please just shoot me an email and I'll be glad to help you out. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Have a good afternoon.